Hi everyone. Welcome to our video today about a recent change Microsoft has made to its free version of Microsoft Outlook. Many users are being caught unaware by an amendment to how storage works within the email provider that is now limiting their attachments within emails, and leaving them unable to send or receive new emails. Starting February 1st, Microsoft has been rolling out a change to where attachments in emails are stored for free Microsoft Outlook users. Whereas previously Outlook offered 15 gigabytes of storage capacity to free users, that has now been changed to the company's cloud storage service OneDrive, which has a much lower 5 gigabytes capacity. For many, they have suddenly found themselves over the limit due to their backlog of attachments and are unable to send or receive new emails. And, to make matters worse, users are claiming they weren't even made aware that the change was coming their way. On top of that, those with personalized email addresses associated with Outlook.com may still be able to use it, but once the email is removed, they have to become a paying Microsoft 365 subscriber in order to retrieve it. To add insult to injury, Microsoft announced the change on its support page before February 1st, but, it seems, not enough to make a lot of users aware of the potential issue, that their attachment storage capacity would be much lower. So, what do you think of this change? Is this fair? Let us know in the comments below. In the meantime, it appears many are taking to both Microsoft forums and Reddit, to express frustrations and try to find solutions. Meanwhile, rivals, such as Google's Gmail, are now effectively offering more capacity for free, so some users are being encouraged to use these alternatives instead. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss any of our latest videos. We'll be back with more to come soon. Thank you for your time.